Hey everyone, so this is our very last lesson, another day on partial fractions. Read number 3, that is actually my favorite problem-solving problem. I have a few that I'm like really big fan of, but that one in particular is a good one. So pause the video, read it, see if you can figure it out. All right, pause the video and try this one on your own. So first thing we need to do is factor. Oh, why does it always start off with yellow? All right, 3x, 2x, I need to equal -1. So where's the 2 go? The 2 is going to go there, 1 there, -4 plus 3. All right, so we have a over 3x minus 2, b over 2x plus 1 equals x over 6x squared minus x minus 2. All right, so we have a times 2x plus 1, and then b times 3x minus 2 equals x. So this one's more difficult because of the fractions. So I'm going to start with x equals -1/2 because that will make my a go away, right? A times 0 plus b times, let's see, -3/2 minus 4/2 equals -1/2. So that's -7/2. So times 2 over -7. So we get a 7th. Right. So that one's like, yeah, these are annoying. Then I'm going to let x equals 2/3 because that will make b equals 0. So let's see, 2, so that's 4/3 plus 1 times a plus b times 0 equals 2/3. So this is 3/3, 7/3, so times 3/7, 2/7. So I end up with the integral of, let's see, a, this is a, this is b. A is 2/7 over 3x minus 2 plus 1/7, 2x plus 1 dx. Now this one, be careful. This is technically a u substitution because we have a derivative in the bottom. So I have to also multiply by 1/3. So this is 2/7 times 1/3 the ln of 3x minus 2 plus 1/7 times 1/2 the ln of 2x plus 1 plus c. So I'll write my final answer up top. So that's 2/21 the ln 3x minus 2 plus 1/14 the ln of 2x plus 1 plus c. And again, if you want to put that together, you can make it one big ln. The ln of, the 23x minus 2 to the 2/21 times 2x plus 1 to the 1/14. Like, if you want to rewrite it, you can. I don't really see the point, but it is a thing. All right, pause the video and set it up. So this is the harder one for setting up. So we have to do, when we have a square, a over x, b over x squared, and then c over x minus 2. Okay? And then what am I multiplying by? So the first one gets multiplied by x, x minus 2. The second one, x minus 2. And the third one, x squared. So this is if we're going through and doing a common, think of this as we're going through doing a common denominator to make that one big fraction. So we have a x, x minus 2, plus b, x minus 2, plus c x squared equals x plus 1. Now be careful here because we have to plug in on both sides. I'm going to start with x equals 0. That means my a disappears and my c disappears. So negative 2b equals 1. So b is negative 1/2. Then I'm going to let x equal 2. So this time a and b go away. 4c equals 3. So c is 3 over 4. And then for the last one, I just have to pick a number. I'm going to pick 3, just because I know it'll make the x minus 2 not too bad. So I'm going to let x equal 3. You could do 1 also. So a times 3 plus b plus 9c equals 4. Now I have to plug in. I have that b is negative 1/2 and c is 3/4. So I have 3a minus 1/2 plus 27 over 4 equals 4. Oh, that was not a good idea. All right, so this is 2 over 4. So we get 25 over 4. 4 minus 25 over 4. 16 over 4 minus 25 over 4 is negative 9 over 4. And then we have to divide by 3. Negative 3 over 4. Ugh, that was annoying. Oh well. So a is negative 3 over 4. So now I can rewrite it. So let's see. A was negative 3 over 4 all over x. B was negative 1/2 over x squared. And then c was 3 over 4 over x minus 2 dx. Antiderivative, negative 3 over 4 ln of x. Be careful with that next one. That is not an ln because of the squared. Plus 1 over 2x plus 3 over 4 ln x minus 2. So this became 1/2 over x, but I just wrote it 1 over 2x to make it easier. All right, pause the video. Try this whole problem on your own. See what you can do with it. So we have a over x plus 2, b over x minus 1, c over x minus 1 squared. So the a is being multiplied by x minus 1 squared. B is getting multiplied by x plus 2 and x minus 1. And c is being multiplied by x plus 2 equals x squared plus x. I'm going to start with x equals 1. That makes a and b 0, so I get 3c equal 2, so c is 2/3. I'm going to let x equal negative 2. Ooh, that gives me 9a, negative 3 squared, and then b goes away, c goes away, equals 4 minus 2, which is 2. So a is 2/9. And then to solve for b, pick any number you want. I'm going to do positive 2. So if I could do positive 2, I get a plus 4b plus 4c. So a is 2 over 9 plus 4b. 4c is 8/3 equals 6. Ugh. All right. So 2 over 9, let's see, 2 over 9 plus 8 over 3, 24, 26. So we get 26 over 9 plus 4b equals 6. So that's 54 over 9 minus 26 over 9 is 28 over 9 equals 4b. So b is 7 over 9. That's a lot of work. A lot of just like silly math. Like it's not hard. It's just like have to sit there and do it. All right, so a was 2 over 9, x plus 2. B was 7 over 9, x minus 1. And C was 2/3, x minus 1 quantity squared. So we get, change to blue, 2 over 9, the ln of x plus 2, plus 7 over 9, the ln of x minus 1, minus, whoops, it's a minus, 2 over 3 times x minus 1, plus c. Final answer. All right, pause the video. Try this one on your own. Very last problem. I'm actually going to move this. Can I move it? No, it's fine. All right, so this is x times x squared minus 2x minus 3. This one's not even hard. There's no like doubles or anything. It's just 3. So a over x plus b over x minus 3 plus c over x plus 2. So a times x minus 3 and x plus 2. And then b, x plus 2. And then c, x minus 3 equals 7x plus 3. So start with x equals 3. So my a cancels, my c cancels. So that's 3 times 5, 15b equals 21 plus 3, 24. So b is 24 over 15, which is 8 over 5. B equals, let's do 0 next. So b and c go away. So a times negative 6 equals 3. So a is negative 1/2. And then lastly, what do we want to do? No matter what we pick, it's going to be gross. I don't know. Let's do 1. I don't know why. It still might be gross. All right. So a is negative 1/2. So negative 1/2 times negative 2 times 3 plus b is 8 over 5 times 1 times 3. And then c times negative 2 equals 10. Let's see what we get. So 3 plus 24 over 5 minus 2c equals 10. Let's see. You know what? I think I'm going to make that into a so that's a 7. 35 over 5. That's 11. Negative 2c equals 11 over 5. So c is 11 over negative 11 tenths. Whew. Aren't these fun, guys? I know you're loving them. All right. What was a? All right. Negative 1/2 over x plus what was b? B was 8/5. X minus 3. And negative 11 tenths over x plus 2. So all of these are ln's. So our final answer, negative 1/2 ln of x plus 8/5 the ln x minus 3 minus 11 tenths ln x plus 2 plus C. I don't, and if you want to know why sometimes I do a cursive ln, sometimes I don't, I have no idea. It's just whatever I write. Half the time I don't even think about it. All right, that's it. Partial fraction. Last homework of the year. I'm a little sad. Gonna miss you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.